guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun one. Today is a half cut crease glitter eye tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this look. This look is perfect for the holiday season. And this look was actually requested from you guys on Instagram. I did a poll over on Instagram and asked you guys if you wanted to see a halo eye or a half cut crease, and you guys picked a half cut crease. And so this is what I came up with. I absolutely love the outcome of it. I did a nude glossy lip for you guys today. You guys also requested that, so thank you guys so much for that. And if you guys do want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So you guys voted on Instagram, and for today's look I'm going to be using the Athena palette from Bad Habit Beauty. This is what the product looks like. So I'm going to be using that palette today. You guys voted on Instagram for a half cut crease look today, so that's what I'm going to bring you, because you guys wanted to see that, so that's what you guys are getting. And yeah, so I am going to, let's see what shade. This like peachy shade. I'm going to be going in with that shade into my crease. Some nibbig kickback. Now, as you can see, I already have like my base down, so I didn't want to make this video too terribly long for you guys. And so I did my base off camera. So now that we've blended for literally what felt like ever, I am now, think I need to put an outer corner crease on. So I think I'm going to go in with probably Power. I think I'm going to go in with Power on the outer corner, because I think Power is such a nice shade. So for cutting my crease today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm just going to do a half cut crease for you guys today. So for the half cut crease today, I'm going to be going in with Darling, which is this glitter right here. No, there. Yeah, so I'm going to be going in with that glitter. I'm actually really excited about using this. I have yet to try it out. It's literally glitter in a pan. Like they pressed just glitter. That is what the glitter looks like. It's actually really nice, and there wasn't any fallout, and it blended out pretty well. Like, I was able to like pull it outwards a little bit. Oh, I'm glad my best friend Brittany just said to use glitter, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, let's cut the other side now. So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of Heartbreak from the Aphrodite palette, and I'm going to be placing that on the outer corner A little patch. And I'm going to go in with the blending brush. So I just went back in with the shade Power from the Athene palette, and I'm just intensifying the red. And also just helping smoke out the black a little bit more. I'm loving it. I'm thinking a little bit of eyeliner. So I'm going to be using the NYX liquid liner. This, clearly you can't even see the writing on it anymore. It's rubbed off. But I'm just going to do a little bit of a liquid liner moment because I just want to be able to camouflage the lash a little bit. The lash band, so yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing. I don't know if I want to do a wing. I just want to do the line. So for lashes I'm using are the Dodo Lashes D328 lashes, and they are brand new. I just recently received them in the mail, and so lashes are on and I'm obsessed. They are so dramatic yet so subtle at the same time. They're really, really nice. I'll have to try them out a couple of times and just see how they are, but oh my gosh. Dodo lashes, and on top of that, like, look at my makeup. Look how good that looks. That is from a $10/$12 palette. Like, I created that. So we're gonna do the lower lash line now. I'm gonna go in with velour. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna take that. I wish I knew where my dang little blending brush is. I need to find that brush. It's somewhere. Actually, I'm gonna take a Luxie 205 brush, and I'm gonna take the shade right here, and I'm going to dust that on my lower lash line. Take a little bit of Power, and I'm just gonna run that so close to the lash line. Just like, this is a flat brush. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the shade Heartbreak on the outer corner from the Aphrodite palette. And then I'm going to go in with my blending brush, and I'm going to blend in both that. So for lips today, I'm going to be doing a glossy lip, which might be a shocker to most of you guys because I rarely ever use a gloss on my channel. I'm most likely wearing a matte lip on a, you know, there might be like 1 or 2 photos on my Instagram where I'm in a glossy lip. but my followers have spoken to me and told me to do the glossy lip today, so I'm going to be using the Catsuit liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, and this is in Nudie Patootie. The gloss I'm going to be using today is the Gerard Cosmetics gloss in Shimmer of Hope. So I'm going to be placing that on top of Nudie Patootie. So that is Wet n Wild and Gerard Cosmetics together. That's what it looks like. So that is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I had so much fun filming this for you guys. Absolutely love the outcome of it. I have yet to do a nude glossy lip in quite some time. So I hope you guys do it like that, as well as like the look just all together. Like, it looks so good. Perfect for a holiday season. You guys requested for a half cut crease. That's what I brought you guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for voting on my Instagram today for a half cut crease moment, and this is what I brought you guys, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I hope you guys are as well as bringing back a nude glossy lip. Like, I rarely ever do those now, so thank you guys on Instagram Live for telling me to do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment below on what you guys want to see next on my channel. Hit that red subscribe button right there if you're not already subscribed. I want to thank all the ones that have recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome. And I hope you stay subscribed and continue to enjoy my videos. And for those that are just coming back to watch this tutorial, thank you guys so much for coming back and checking out my channel again. And yeah, I think that is it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.